Hi, my name's Chloe, and in this video I will be discussing the physical and chemical properties of glucose, a very important molecule in our functional environment. Glucose is a simple sugar, or monosaccharide. Its molecular weight is approximately 180 grams per mole.
The chemical formula for glucose is C6H12O6, which means it is comprised of 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms.
Glucose is a hexose, meaning it is a monosaccharide with 6 carbon atoms.
The structure of glucose forms a stable ring, known as a pyranose ring. The ring-like formation consists of 5 carbons and 1 oxygen. These 3 diagrams represent the different ways that glucose can be drawn. This diagram represents 2 isomers of glucose, fructose and galactose. They both have the chemical formula C6H12O6, but they have different structures. Chemical names allow a person to visualize and draw the structure of the molecule. The chemical bonds that are formed between atoms contribute to the structure. The name glucose tells us very little about how 6 carbons, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen are chemically arranged, which is why it has an official chemical name: 6-hydroxymethyloxane 2,3,4,5-tetrol. The chemical bonds that form glucose are responsible for the electronegativity of the molecule. Glucose is comprised of covalent bonds because electrons are shared between atoms and are not completely transferred. It is a polar molecule because of the negative regions that are formed by the hydroxyl groups, OH, of the molecule. We also know that water is a polar molecule and glucose is soluble in water, and thus polar dissolves in polar. This cartoon shows the negative and positive regions of the molecule, red being negative and blue being positive. There are many reasons as to why glucose is personally relevant to me and you. It plays many roles in our environment, but I chose this molecule because of its importance to the oxygen in the air we breathe. Glucose is generated by plants through photosynthesis, and this process is vital to oxygen synthesis, which of course we need to survive. The body also uses glucose as an important source of energy.
Thanks for watching.